Welcome to our guide on the best K-beauty skincare products that are redefining beauty routines worldwide. If you're struggling to find products that deliver hydration, nourishment, and a radiant complexion, we've got you covered. These top 5 products combine innovative formulas and time-tested ingredients, offering a perfect balance of science and tradition. Whether you're new to K-beauty or looking to expand your collection, this list is tailored for you. Let's dive into these skincare gems that can transform your routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Etude House Moistfull Collagen Cream. The Etude House Moistfull Collagen Cream is a cult favorite in the K-beauty world. Known for its lightweight texture and exceptional hydrating properties, this cream is enriched with hydrolyzed collagen and baobab water, making it perfect for achieving that dewy, youthful glow. Key features: this cream boasts a 63.4% hydrolyzed collagen concentration, ensuring deep hydration and skin elasticity. The inclusion of baobab water enhances its ability to lock in moisture for extended periods. Its gel-like texture absorbs quickly, making it suitable for all skin types, including oily and combination skin. Benefits and usage: using this cream daily helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while boosting skin's natural plumpness. Apply a small amount after cleansing and toning, gently patting it into the skin for optimal absorption. It's an excellent base for makeup, ensuring a smooth and hydrated finish. Usability: the jar packaging is user-friendly and travel-friendly. Its light and non-greasy formula make it ideal for morning and evening use. Additionally, it layers well with serums and sunscreens. Durability: a little goes a long way with this cream, making it a cost-effective option for long-term use. With consistent application, you'll notice improved hydration and elasticity within weeks, proving its effectiveness and value. In the second spot, we have Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum. The Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum is a luxurious pre-serum designed to enhance the effectiveness of your skincare routine. Infused with Korean herbal ingredients, this product is celebrated for its ability to balance and rejuvenate the skin. Key features: this serum features the proprietary JAUM Balancing Complex, a blend of 5 carefully selected herbs known for their nourishing properties. Its lightweight texture absorbs seamlessly, leaving the skin prepped for subsequent skincare steps. Benefits and usage: regular use of this serum improves skin texture, radiance, and hydration. It's best applied immediately after cleansing, as it prepares the skin to absorb other products more effectively. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto your palms and gently press it into your face and neck. Usability: the elegant pump bottle ensures hygienic and precise application. Its soothing scent and quick absorption make it a pleasure to use both day and night, fitting seamlessly into any routine. Durability: despite its luxurious price point, the Sulwhasoo serum's potency ensures you don't need much for each use. With consistent application, the bottle lasts several months, providing visible results that justify the investment. Coming in at number 3 is the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Oil. The Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Oil is a staple for anyone seeking a thorough yet gentle cleansing experience. This oil is enriched with rice water and morena oil, making it ideal for removing makeup and impurities while nourishing the skin. Key features: this product harnesses the power of rice water, known for its brightening and hydrating properties. Morena oil ensures deep cleansing without stripping the skin's natural moisture. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula makes it suitable for all skin types. Benefits and usage: this cleansing oil effectively dissolves makeup, sunscreen, and dirt while leaving the skin soft and hydrated. Massage a few pumps onto dry skin, focusing on areas with makeup or impurities. Add a bit of water to emulsify, then rinse thoroughly. Usability: the pump bottle design makes it easy to use and control the amount needed. Its mild scent and silky texture enhance the cleansing experience, making it a relaxing step in your routine. Durability: a single bottle lasts a long time due to its efficient formula, which requires only a small amount for each use. Regular use will leave your skin brighter, smoother, and well prepped for other skincare products. Taking our fourth spot is Mizon Snail Repair Cream. The Mizon Snail Repair Cream is a beloved product in the K-beauty community, thanks to its innovative use of snail mucin. This cream is designed to repair and rejuvenate the skin, addressing a variety of concerns such as acne scars, fine lines, and dullness. Key features: formulated with 92% snail mucin extract, this cream provides intense hydration and promotes skin regeneration. It also contains peptides and adenosine, which enhance elasticity and reduce the signs of aging. Benefits and usage: consistent use of this cream improves skin texture, fades scars, and provides a healthy glow. Apply it as the final step in your skincare routine, gently massaging it into the skin for optimal absorption. Usability: the lightweight, gel-like texture absorbs quickly, making it suitable for all skin types. Its fragrance-free formula ensures it's gentle enough for sensitive skin. The compact jar packaging is convenient and travel-friendly. Durability: with its potent formula, a small amount is sufficient to cover your entire face and neck. Regular use ensures long-lasting hydration and noticeable improvements in skin clarity and resilience. And finally, at number 5, we have Benton Aloe BHA Skin Toner. The Benton Aloe BHA Skin Toner is a versatile product that combines the soothing properties of aloe vera with the exfoliating benefits of salicylic acid, BHA. This toner is perfect for calming irritated skin while keeping pores clean and clear. Key features: this toner contains aloe vera leaf water, which hydrates and soothes the skin, along with 0.5% salicylic acid to gently exfoliate and unclog pores. It also includes snail secretion filtrate to promote skin healing and improve elasticity. Benefits and usage: regular use helps to control acne, refine pores, and improve skin texture. After cleansing, apply a small amount onto a cotton pad or directly onto your hands and gently pat it into your skin. Follow up with your preferred serum and moisturizer. Usability: the lightweight, watery formula absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue. Its gentle yet effective formula makes it suitable for daily use, even for sensitive skin types. Durability: the generous bottle size ensures it lasts for months, even with daily use. Its multitasking benefits make it a cost-effective addition to any skincare routine, delivering consistent results over time. If you're looking to elevate your skincare game, these top 5 K-beauty products are your go-to solutions for radiant and healthy skin. From hydration and brightening to repair and exfoliation, each product brings unique benefits to your routine. By incorporating these gems, you'll experience the transformative power of K-beauty firsthand. Don't forget to share your thoughts and favorite picks in the comments. Thanks for watching, and here's to glowing skin.